What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $80 an hour with YouTube intros now. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Please watch out for the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video, guys. Please. So that means you're going to have to watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and go to this site and show you how you can earn this money. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at the first site, and the name of this site is Video Creep. So this is the site you're going to use to make intros, free intros, guys. So you're not going to be charged anything to use this software on this website. Now, what I'm going to do is go into my account, and I'm going to show you what type of intros they have that you can use to sell to your customers. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Okay, I'm inside my account. I went ahead and typed intro. And let's see what we got here. Okay, here's the intro right here. So they got all different type of templates. And this is the example right here. Let's look at it. Isn't that pretty cool, guys? All you have to do is just click right here and says use template. It's going to give some time to load up. It's going to go right there. And all you have to do is upload the logo from your customer and put it there. So you can type anything you want to, put anything you want to there. So whatever your customer want, you just come over here, type it in there or upload it in there. Boom, voila, you're finished. You don't have that much work to do, and it's not going to take you that much time to finish these intros for your customers. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, where are you going to get these customers from? Well, I'm going to show you 3 websites you can go to and be able to sell these intros or your service to some customers really fast. It's not going to take that long because it's a high demand for video intros for YouTube, because everybody are starting up YouTube channels every day. Businesses, individuals, everybody. So it's a big demand, guys. So let me go ahead and go to the first website that you can use to sell your service. Okay, I'm at the first website, and the name of this one is People Per Hour. So this website have freelancers that the customer can hire to make an intro for them. Now, it's not that much competition on here, so they have other services they're offering on here when I type in YouTube intros. But as you can see here, let me move. As you can see here, they're charging, look, there's a fixed rate of $130 $33. Look at that. That's for intro video. And let's see what else we can see here. So see, they don't have that many people on here with the intro services, guys. So this would be a good website for you guys to go here and present you the services to customers that are looking for YouTube intros. And I suggest you charge like in between $80, because as you can see here, this one, $130, that's a fixed price, but they still been waiting. It's been posted for 20 days. You can do $100 or $80 or $70, and I guarantee you in a day or two, you're going to get a response from this person or from people that want to go ahead and get the intro for that amount of money. Now, let me go to another website that have even less competition that you wouldn't have to deal with as far as YouTube intros. So for this site, just go to peopleperhour.com. Now let me go to the next one. Okay, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Quicken Gigs. So it's quickengigs.com. And I went ahead and put in YouTube intros, and these popped up. And as you can see here, they charging $30, $10. I mean, it's not that many on here. Let's check and see. So it's not really that many, guys. You don't have that much competition. It's a little bit more than the last website, but it's still a good website because this website hasn't been around for a long time. People Per Hour been around for a while, but not this one. Quicken Gigs is real new, so this will be a good website for you guys to hop on here and present your services to customers on here. All right, now I'm gonna go to another website that's very, very popular. Has a lot of competition, but it has a lot of business too. A lot of people go there, so you can still make some money there. So let me go ahead and go to that website right now. All right, I'm at fiber.com. I've talked about this website in several of my videos. And, you know, they provide all different type of services, from graphic design to digital marketing to video animation, music, audio, programming, tech, business, lifestyle, industries. They have all different type of categories. So I went ahead and put in YouTube intros. And as you can see here, they got some they selling for $25, $35, $10, some of them $50. So on here, you might have to lower your price a little bit. You probably can't do $80 here, but you could still make some good money here if you lower it down to $30, $40 or something like that. And you can still get a lot of traffic to come to your page and want to buy your gig. So that's it, guys. So if you want to get started with this method, just go to videocreek.com, sign up, and then go to all three of these sites: People Per Hour, Quicken Gigs, and fiber.com to sell your services. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 200 likes. I know that's a lot to ask, but help me to get 200 likes, guys. It's really going to help out my channel if I can get 200 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please type the code word that popped up somewhere in this video so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 5,000 subscribers, which will be this month of December. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thanks again for tuning in. And I might start doing shout outs again. So if you want to get a shout out in one of my videos, please leave a creative comment. And if I like that comment, I will shout your channel out in one of my videos. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. And please share this everywhere. Yes, I'm asking again, please share this video everywhere. Help me get to 5,000 subscribers. Road to 5,000 subscribers. Here we come. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a prosperous, pleasant day.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.